Good morning, students. Next lecture is tools and standard which are used in software testing. So ISO IEC 9126, this standard deal with the following aspects of to determine the quality of a software application, that is a quality model, external matrix, internal matrix, quality in use matrix. This standard presents some set of quality attributes for any software such as functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency and maintainability. Part 11 of this standard deal with the extent to which a product can be used by specific users to achieve specified goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction. This standard proposed a framework that describes the usability components and the relationship between them. In this standard, the usability is considered in terms of user performance and satisfaction. According to ISO 924111, usability depends on context of use and the level of usability will change as the context changes. ISO IC 25000 to 2005 is commonly known as standard that provides the guideline of software quality requirements and evaluation, also known as SQUARE. These standards help in organizing and enhancing the process related to software quality requirements and their evaluation. In reality, ISO 25000 replaced the two old standards, ISO 9126 and ISO 14598. ISO is divided into subparts. These are Quality Management Division, Quality Model Division, Quality Measurement Division, Quality Requirement Division, Quality Evaluation Division. Next is, this standard deals with the software package delivered to the client. It does not focus or deal with the client production process. The main content are set of requirements and instruction for testing.